Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, April 11th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So we finally have this back test of the 20 EMA that I've been waiting for, and bulls were able to hold that. We did see some increasing bear volume here from on today's candle, but if you look at it intraday, and you look at the 1 minute time frame, you could see a lot of that candle on the intraday was actually bull volume here, and bulls buying it to protect that 20 EMA here. So just be mindful that even though there was this big red candles here, that a lot of that volume today was still partly bull volume buying and protecting the 20 EMA here. So what we're going to look for, obviously we have inventory reports on Thursday, and on a short trading week with Friday closed. On Thursday, we want to make sure that we don't break below the low of 3.141, and then obviously this low here of 3.121. And on every pullback, still, Natgas bulls are still holding higher lows. So when we pulled back here, we had this low, and then on these pullbacks, and then this pullback here, we still had a higher low from this one. We have another pullback, and as long as this is today's low is maintained as the low with this pullback, then it'll be good for the Natgas bulls. What we're going to look at for resistance is going to be the high of today of 3.268, and then this long upper wick that we had yesterday at 3.293 for continuation here. And as far as the 5-minute chart, what I was watching for today, actually we can 5-minute chart, we were unable to close above the price level that I was watching. So on this downtrend, we had this back test of the 20 EMA here, and we rejected with further downside to the lows of the day. And you could see that it rejected, and the high of this candle was 3.17, and that's the level I wanted it to close above, because it would have been higher than the first initial bounce attempt that natural gas had. So that's the level to watch tomorrow or overnight, is that 3.17 level that that Natgas bulls need to get over on the 5-minute chart. And if you could see the high we had on this bounces here, it's still at 3.17. So the high of this candle 3.17. This one got over by 3.171, which is 0.001, a little bit higher. But really what I wanted was a close above that 3.17 level. So watch that 3.17 level overnight. And what we don't want to see is a break below 3.141. I think we have a little bit of a double bottom here of 3.141, 3.142, and we have basically some tops here at 3.17. So 3.17 is a clear level that bulls need to break above, and they want to maintain the lows of this candle here, and bears want to see a break below this level. So the 20 EMA, as long as it's still a support, it's a healthy back test. It's establishing the 20 EMA as the support for Natgas bulls to hold on 1 and now 2 back tests here, as long as we're able to hold it and move higher. So, and on the weekly chart, get perspective, we are still above this 8 EMA. So as long as we hold this 8 EMA here on the weekly chart, Natgas bulls are still in control. We do want to close above the week above this 20 EMA. After gaining it, we don't want to lose it by the close of this week. So those are levels to watch. Looks like a battle again back between the 8 EMA and the 20 EMA here, just like the week before last. Those are all the levels to watch, and I will see you tomorrow.